He may be innocent, I do not know. So option A says I doubt, option B says I do not, option C says that he is. So if I use option A, I doubt he is innocent. So I can't fit in I do not know in option A. What about option B? Of course, I can start off because the second clause is helping me, right? I do not know if he is innocent. See, that he is innocent, I do not know, is not a very effective construction, right? So let's go with the right construction, which is I do not know if he is innocent. Right? Only option B. He finished his exercise, he put away his books. Option A, having finished. Option B, as he finished. Option C, finishing. So let's see. Having finished his exercise, he put away his books. Makes sense. As he finished his exercise, he put away his books. Doesn't make sense because as here brings in the meaning of at the same time, right? So it makes more sense if we say after he finished his exercise, he put away his books. What about C? Finishing his exercise, he put away his books also is correct. So let's put down the right constructions. Right? So that's only option A and C, and that's available only in D. He is poor, he is happy. Option A, despite. Option B, admitting that. Option C, he is poor indeed. Let's take a look. Despite him being poor, he is happy, right? Or despite his poverty, he is happy. Admitting that he is poor, he is happy. So, though he admits that he is poor, he is still happy. He is poor indeed, but he is still happy, right? So, all three can give us correct, appropriate and logical sentences. So, let's put that down. So, since all three give us the right combinations, the answer is option E.